Hi everyone! Today we're making a bold and flavorful traditional mango pickle using 2 kilograms of raw mangoes and a freshly ground achar masala. It's tangy, spicy, and goes with almost everything. Let's get started. Wash the mangoes thoroughly and dry them completely. Cut into medium slices and remove the seed. Here's what you'll need to make achar masala. 2 tablespoons fennel seeds, 3 tablespoons coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 2 teaspoons red chili flakes, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons salt, adjust to taste, 1.5 teaspoons nigella seeds, kalonji, 1.5 teaspoons mustard seeds, 3/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. Add the dried mango slices to the masala. Mix until all the slices are coated evenly. Cover and leave it for 3 days. After 3 days, transfer your pickle to a clean, dry glass jar. Make sure mangoes and jars are completely dry. Use a wooden spoon or clean, dry hands to mix. The pickle can last months if stored in a cool, dry place. You can now heat mustard oil until smoking and let it cool slightly. Pour over the pickle to cover the slices completely. Keep it in sunlight for 3 to 5 days, shaking it gently once a day for a week. Your mango pickle will be ready to enjoy in about 2 weeks. That's it. Your homemade mango achar is ready, spicy, tangy, and bursting with flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more homemade favorites. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more delicious recipes.